What do we have here? It sure is. It looks good. I'm loving it. Didn't plan for this at all, but this is a good thing. There's a small gap, about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch, all along the hull on both sides. There's no contact with the hull itself, and that is good because this has a lot of downward tension on it. And if we were making contact with the hull, we would have risk of hard spots pushing through to the outside. It'll be like an imprint of the bulkhead on the outside, especially when you have nice glossy paint on it. So I'm actually happy about that. I'm gonna leave it dry fit for now, and when the time comes to glass it in, we could just fill that gap and fillet it and glass it. No dramas. And as you can see, it's nice. It's a nice big opening. I'm gonna climb in through it, or at least put my upper body through it on camera so you guys can see. But yeah, I'm happy with that. It looks really good. Get on the side, work on one side, reach all the way up, shift to one side, work overhead. When it's time to retrieve the anchor rope, you know, we got a lot of room. Even two people could fit their arms in here at once. We did several iterations of this cutout to see what looked and felt right, and this is what we chose. I'm happy with it. Okay, so I'm prepping some glass here, and what we have is a roll of 1.5 ounce chopped strand mat. And if you didn't know, when you cut your strips, you could actually split that 1.5 ounces to get, I guess, kinda 2 sheets of 3/4 ounce. Sometimes it's a little uneven, like this side is a little thicker than this side, but We just need something to lay down and be the first piece of our tubbing. Alright guys, got some thickened resin right down here, just on a frame, and I'm going to start filling in this bulkhead. Alright guys, we're going to end this video here, but I just wanted to thank you guys for all the support on the last video. We did really well with the views and we got quite a few new subscribers, so to the new subscribers, welcome. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you guys for helping us reach 800. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I see you next week. Thanks.